Here with Washington's First Reaction National Economic Council Director Lael Brainard. Director Brainard, welcome back. Good to see you.
Good to be here.
So what's your reaction? Not necessarily a good thing to see a slight pickup of inflation, but we did see that in the month-over-month numbers.
Look, I think the trend on inflation is very reassuring. It's exactly what we would wish to see. Inflation has come down by nearly 2/3. It's clearly trending down from here, and inflation has come down at a time when unemployment has remained below 4% for the longest stretch in 50 years against a backdrop of really solid growth. So that overall picture, I think, is very reassuring.
It's reassuring to see it come down from multi-year highs and the painful levels where we were, say, last year. But there is this school of thought that's worried about the last mile, how we get from 4% on core inflation to 2% where the Fed wants it to be, and just how stubborn prices are at these levels. Do you worry about that?
I'm not worried about that. I feel like the underlying trend lines in inflation are good. We've seen grocery prices come down. We've seen prices at the pump come down. We've seen some of the core areas moving back down to pre-pandemic levels. And generally, that's taken place against the backdrop of a labor market that's come into much better balance with a lot of entrants, very high participation rates among working age Americans. That's a picture of solid growth with a balanced labor market and inflation continuing to come down.
But we are seeing rising wages and evidence of a tight labor market still, as you say. So is that a concern when it comes to fighting inflation? We know the Fed has been worried about the wage price spiral. At this time, after so many rate hikes, to see such strength in the labor market, obviously it's a good thing for Americans, but is it a good thing when it comes to the inflation fight?
You know, actually, I think the picture is very encouraging. Vacancies have come down to more normal levels. The quits rate has returned to the pre-pandemic level. The labor market looks like it's in good balance, and that has happened by more Americans coming into the labor force. Remember that talk about the Great Resignation? It turned out that, in fact, it was the Great Rebound with 2.8 million people joining the labor force just in the last year. And so wages have been moving, real wages. That's good for American workers, but that's because you see productivity very strong over the course of the last year, nearly 2.5% productivity growth over the last year. Those are all consistent with inflation coming down. And don't forget, supply chain pressures are all the way back down, and inflation has followed that very closely.
What about shelter? Remains stubbornly high, and I know it's lagging, but it's such a big chunk of the overall number and has been elevated. What do you think is happening there with housing?
Yeah, so I think housing costs are still unaffordable for so many Americans. Rent is still too high. It is coming down, as you said, but it's still very unaffordable for many Americans. And for first-time home buyers, it is still a very challenging picture. So we're working hard on that. We have some proposals that we'd like to see enacted that would increase the supply of affordable homes for both renters as well as down payment assistance for first-time home buyers. That is an area that the president is very focused on.